Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk making another self-help video again. Now, those of you with a Oculus Quest 2 headset, when you are wearing your headset, if you're feeling some irritation around your eyes, it is actually a common thing that's happened. And what Facebook has done is if you just simply Google Quest 2 removable foam interface recall, and then if you scroll down, the first thing that comes up, click that, you can actually get to a page where you can simply click a button to request a free cover, and they will send you a replacement. You'll be asked to log in, which I've already done. So it brought me to this page straight away because I'm logged in. And then you can simply choose which facial interface you use. I use the provided facial interface. You're going to fill out some contact information. I'm going to blur all this out. It's going to ask for your phone number and address. And you can simply click submit request. And it says an order confirmation will be sent to your email. Your order is estimated to be delivered by, well, that's today. So that's pretty crazy. Alright, so that's how you order a replacement foam. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.